Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path Discussion Series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss the career path of an embedded engineer. So how can embedded engineers navigate the challenges of designing reliable, power-efficient systems while balancing the constraints of hardware limitations, real-time performance requirements, and evolving software demands? Embedded systems are responsible for powering over 98% of all microprocessors in the world, from everyday devices like smartphones and cars to critical infrastructure and medical equipment. So let's see what is the career path of an embedded engineer. We will be covering these topics. So first, introduction to embedded engineering. Embedded engineers play a crucial role in designing and developing the systems that power the technology we use every day. From smart home devices to automotive control systems, embedded engineers are responsible for creating software and hardware that work together to control physical devices. This field requires a deep understanding of both software and hardware, making it an exciting and challenging career choice for those passionate about technology. An embedded engineer combines knowledge of electrical engineering, computer science, and systems engineering to build embedded systems that are integral to modern devices. This career path offers diverse opportunities, from working with microcontrollers to developing software for robotics or IoT devices. So, who is an embedded engineer? An embedded engineer is a professional who specializes in designing, programming, and testing embedded computer systems that are part of a larger machine or device. These systems are often designed to perform specific tasks and can be found in everyday products such as smartphones, medical devices, automotive systems, industrial machines, and home appliances. Unlike general purpose computers, embedded systems are optimized for specific tasks, making the design process unique. Embedded engineers work on both the software that runs on the embedded device and the hardware that makes it possible. They often have to consider real-time operating systems, low-level programming, and hardware-software integration. So next, what are the roles and responsibilities of an embedded engineer? An embedded engineer is typically involved in several aspects of the embedded system development lifecycle, like defining the hardware and software specifications of embedded systems, considering factors like power consumption, memory limitations, and processing speed. Writing low-level software that interacts directly with the hardware. This includes device drivers, firmware, and system-level code, often used in C or C++. Designing or selecting microcontrollers, sensors, or other hardware components required for the system. Embedded engineers often work closely with hardware engineers ensuring that both software and hardware components work together smoothly. This may involve debugging hardware or software issues as well as testing and validation, running simulations, unit tests, and real-world tests to ensure the embedded system performs reliably under various conditions, ensuring the system meets performance, power, and resource constraints. This often involves optimizing code for memory usage, CPU speed, and battery life, writing clear documentation for the software, hardware, and development processes for future reference and maintenance. Career development in embedded engineering. So, what are the skills required? To succeed as an embedded engineer, you will need to develop a diverse set of technical skills. Proficiency in languages such as C, C++, and Python is crucial for writing software that interacts with embedded systems. Some knowledge of assembly may also be necessary for low-level tasks. Understanding microcontrollers as well as processors and their limitations and capabilities. Familiarity with embedded real-time operating systems like free RTOS or designing systems that don't use an OS at all. Knowledge of circuit design, digital logic, and the ability to read schematics. Experience with tools like PCB design, software, or FPGA is beneficial. Understanding communication protocols like I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, and Ethernet, which are used for device communication. Expertise in using debugging tools to troubleshoot hardware and software issues. Familiarity with tools like Git for tracking code changes and collaborating with other engineers. Understanding memory management, interrupt handling, and direct hardware manipulation. Knowledge of best practices for securing embedded systems against attacks, especially for IoT applications. And what are the certifications and education? While a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, computer science, or software engineering is typically required, the field is more focused on hands-on experience and the ability to work with hardware and software integration. A degree in a relevant field is a common educational requirement. Certified Embedded Systems Engineer offered by various institutes. This certification demonstrates knowledge of embedded systems. ARM Accredited Engineer, a certification that focuses on ARM microcontrollers and processors. RTOS certification. Some institutions offer certifications in real-time operating systems. Career growth and opportunities. So what's the job market overview? The demand for embedded engineers is growing, fueled by increasing use of smart devices, automotive technology, and the Internet of Things. Organizations actively seek skilled engineers to innovate and improve their products. What are the salary expectations? Salary of an embedded engineer depends on factors such as location, experience, education, and the specific industry they work in. A general breakdown is $60,000 to $80,000 per year for entry-level engineers, $80,000 to $100,000 per year for mid-level engineers, $100,000 to $130,000 per year for senior level engineers, $130,000 to $160,000 for senior engineers. And in tech hubs like Silicon Valley, salaries can be higher. In addition to the base salaries, embedded engineers may also receive bonus and stock options depending on the company. So conclusion and call to action. So to start a career as an embedded engineer, you need to learn the basics. So learn the basics. Start with a strong foundation in electronics and programming. Online resources and courses can help you get started with C, C++, and hardware design. Work on projects. Familiarize yourself with development tools like Keil, Eclipse, compilers, debuggers, and simulators. Understand hardware. Internships and entry-level jobs. Look for internships or entry-level jobs that offer the chance to work with embedded systems to develop your skills. Consider certifications to demonstrate your knowledge and make you more attractive for the potential employers. So the career of embedded engineer is both rewarding and challenging, offering opportunities to work with cutting-edge technology in various industries. From designing embedded systems for consumer electronics to working on critical systems in healthcare or automotive applications, the possibilities are vast. So, as an embedded engineer, there are numerous growth opportunities. You can become a senior embedded engineer, embedded software architect, systems engineer, IoT engineer, engineering manager. Additionally, embedded engineers can also explore related fields such as robotics, aerospace, automotive technology, or medical device engineering. So, if you are fascinated by how devices work under the hood and have a passion for solving complex technical problems, then start your journey as an embedded engineer. And it's an excellent choice. Begin learning about embedded systems, start building projects, and gain real world experience. The field of embedded engineering is dynamic, and the demand for skilled engineers is only set to grow. Thank you.